Yeah.
Because you are the best one.
That's true.
Yeah.
That is true. That is
So
true.
always remember that.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hi guys, welcome to Chairs
Adventures!
I'm Nayoka,
I'm Rex.
and today we'll be doing a fun video. So we'll be doing a social experiment. You want to explain what you'll be
Yeah,
doing?
so what we're gonna be doing, we're gonna do a social experiment in the elevator to catch people's reaction, to see our good conversations.
I'm from Jamaica, he's from Bahamas, and we'll show you where that's located on the map. I love my Caribbean people. We're very similar but different at the same time, so I just love the vibe. So let's see how fun it will be today to see people's reaction and see if they'll help you when you're crying.
Yeah.
Are
So
they
I'm gonna be extra. I'm gonna be extra and see how they react.
Yeah, because the Canadians are nice people, so we're gonna test and see if they're really nice and if they're gonna help you or try to assist you in any kind of way.
Yeah.
All right, so let's go.
Let's go.
Going down.
I don't want to be with you anymore.
You don't want to be with me no more?
No, it's done. It's over. Have a nice life.
What are you talking about? Wow. Wow. My girlfriend just broke up with me. My girlfriend just broke up with me.
Second floor.
Wow.
Really?
Yes.
Bruh.
Go down to one, please.
Got it.
Hello?
I just want to let you know it's over. I can't do this.
What? I'm in the elevator. I'm in the elevator. With...
It's done.
Why are we breaking up though? Why are we breaking up? Like, why? So why all of a sudden, why are we? So she's just gonna break up with me. Just say that. She just gonna break up with me. Just say that. Okay. Cool.
You don't need her.
Honestly, I don't. Like, I really don't. Like, it's super annoying.
Her. She sounds like a bitch.
Hello?
Hey, I just want you to know that it's over.
What?
What?
It's over.
Why? Why? What? Why? What is that?
I don't know. I don't want to explain. I'm just over. I'm done with this. I don't want to be with you anymore.
What?
I just can't. I can't. It's done.
Why are you breaking up with me though? Like,
Yep. No, I can't. We're done.
you know what, body? Talk. My girlfriend just broke up with me. Like, this is stupid. This is stupid. This is stupid. This is stupid.
Who's this you guys about? Second floor?
No, first one.
Okay.
This is stupid. You see, my girlfriend just broke up with me, right? Honestly, like they're cool and everything, but like, cause I really want to surprise my girlfriend, cause her birthday. So this one is how much?
328.
328. Okay.
And the open one and 8.
The red one.
It is, yeah.
The red one's probably better.
I know if you remembered about your shift.
That one?
Sorry.
Your shift.
Was I supposed to work today?
Yes.
I didn't know that. I'm sorry.
Well, this is your first time missing your shift, so I think we're gonna have to let you go.
So you just gonna let me go like that? But I didn't know I was supposed to
This
work.
is unacceptable. We have to let you go. Okay? So we'll talk, but this cannot work. This won't work.
business that works for you.
Yeah, like what?
You can't work there anymore. You can get the better one.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, you're worth a better one.
That's true.
They can't say that it's through the phone.
Thank you. Thank you.
Not that you need the work needs you.
Yeah.
You are the best one.
That's true.
Yeah.
That is true. That is
So
true.
always remember that.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. You hear that? The work needs you.
Yes, now you need a job. The
Yeah.
job, the work, they need you because you are the best one.
Agree. Hey.
Hey, I'm happy you called. I actually want. I'm done. It's over.
Hello? How?
Get off my phone. Get off my phone.
Where is this even coming from though? Like where is this even coming from? Hello. Hello, yeah?
Yeah, I'm just letting you know that we're done. I'm over this. You didn't pay my rent, and I need a guy that can pay my rent.
But
I need
where,
you to pay my rent.
but where is this even coming from though? Like where did this even started off from?
That was a culture shock for me. Like, people in Canada mind their own business, legit.
This doesn't make any sense.
Alright guys, we're at the end of this video. Today was very exciting.
Long.
Yeah. It was a long day. It was super duper long. How was your experience?
It was fun. Excited, but not get too much reaction.
Yeah, it's difficult that Canadian people mind their own business. As I said in my last video, they're very
Keep to themselves.
Yeah, keep to themselves. They're not too invasive. I'm not sure. It's just their culture. I'm not sure why. If it's a safety thing or I'm not really sure exactly why. Maybe I should ask a Canadian.
Yeah.
But it was fun, and this is a true testament to how Canadians would respond when someone is feeling overwhelmed or having personal issues. Usually they would mind their own business. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like videos like these,
Yes.
please comment down below. Give us ideas of what you would like. I'm gonna have Rex in another video.
For sure.
So get used to seeing him. I'll have him in another video in the future. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, share, comment, subscribe.
My social media is SexyRexy242. SexyRexy242. I want to shout out my Bahamian family. Y'all know how to take go.
Alright guys, what's your area code?
242. Make sure to subscribe to Cheers and Bitches. I want to shout out from my Bahamian family from the 902 to the 242. Y'all know how to take go.
Thanks for watching guys. Bye.